Precautions for inspectors. 1. Assess your risk tolerance. You are not required to perform an invasive electrical inspection. Removing the dead front of the electrical panel board exceeds InterNACHI's standards of practice. Even if a home inspector is highly confident of their technical training as well as the situation, and they can also confirm that the system is de-energized, any suspected problems that require an invasive inspection should be disclaimed and deferred to a licensed electrical contractor. 2. Wear PPE. Regardless of whether you choose to exceed the standards of practice, always have available and wear the appropriate PPE, including fire-resistant clothing and insulated gloves made specifically for working with electrical equipment. It is also wise to use protective eyewear. Even a small spark can cause a severe eye injury. 3. Check your surroundings. If there is a lack of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, or if there is evidence of a water leak or moisture intrusion, or if the panel board or electric box has scorch marks, potentially indicating a previous arc flash or electrical fire, pay attention to those and other clues, as they may lead you to immediately defer the electrical portion of your home inspection. Again, assess the risk and then decide whether to proceed. 4. Use the appropriate tools. According to InterNACHI's standards of practice, inspectors are required to test all ground fault circuit interrupter receptacles and circuit breakers observed and deemed to be GFCIs using a GFCI tester where possible. Make sure your tester is working properly before your inspection appointment. An infrared camera is also a tool for helping to detect hotspots during the electrical inspection. 5. Protect your clients. Many inspectors encourage their clients to accompany them during the inspection so that they can point out important shutoff valves and switches and discuss maintenance items. However, inspectors should use extreme caution when deciding whether to have the client with them during the inspection of the panel board if signs indicate that it may not be safe. This is true for any area of the home that exhibits signs of instability or some apparent hazard. Using the InterNACHI Stay Back stop sign available from Inspector Outlet can help keep clients, their family members, and their realtors away from an inspected area. It is also useful for limiting the inspector's liability if the client chooses to ignore your warnings and suffers an injury during the inspection. Summary. Arc flashes are just one of the more serious examples of what can go wrong during an inspection, which is why inspectors should follow their training, as well as their instincts, and protect themselves and their clients on the job. It is always better to be safe than sorry and incur a grievous injury, which can put both your livelihood and life at risk.